top 5 reasons to choose SeaDek. SeaDek is a marine boat flooring product, and it was originated in 2002. So it has a lot of longevity along with that. And some of the reasons that people enjoy buying SeaDek is safety first. We all end up wearing our boat jackets when we're in the boat, or our children do, and that's for safety. So why not have safety at least on your ski platform? That way when the kids are playing and jumping, that they don't slip. The molded in non-skid does give you that, but SeaDek gives you even that much more. It's known for that. Comfort and shock absorbance. So if you're going down the water, if it's on the ocean or if it's on the lake and you're bouncing around, it just feels good. It feels sturdy on your feet. Heck, and it's comfortable. You know, we're in our boats, we have no shoes on. My basset hound, she loves the SeaDek product. Feels real nice and calm and sturdy, and he's not going to slip. UV resistant. What does that mean? Well, the beautiful sunshine, that's when we enjoy to go boating. When the sun comes down, it does not absorb the sunshine. Where it is, it'll lay on top. You can put your hand on top of the SeaDek. It'll be warm to touch, but it doesn't absorb that. And so the same thing, if it's red wine, if it's cheese doodles, or whatever it may be, it's easy because it does not absorb any of that. You can customize your boat. That's another big thing. Everybody likes to show their boat for who they are and what it is and your personal choices. There's so many different color combinations, and that's what we do here at SC Wake. We fabricate the product to your color selections, and then we also work along with you to help you with the whole process of having to fabricate the product for your boat. There's DIY options. We work really closely with all our people that would like to do DIY. We have over 7,000 boats in our library. So if you send us by request a quote, your year, make, and model, then we'll reach back out to you and give you a good estimate on what that would be. Now remember, you can do your entire boat. You let us know the points of interest that you're interested in having SeaDek put on. We do also offer custom installs. They're in different areas that we're in, and if you're looking for something like that, we can help you along with that also. So there's a lot of knockoffs out there, generic products. With SeaDek, they have a research and development department. Again, they started in 2002, so they know what they're talking about. There's a lot of boat manufacturers that would only use our SeaDek, and the reason is because they don't want to sell this beautiful boat and then it comes back with all these problems on their boat flooring. So it's fit to finish, and you're going to love your SeaDek. It changes the whole look of your boat. And the other quick tip is, if you're thinking about selling your boat in the next year or two, the resale value of your boat will hold, because if you say your flooring is SeaDek, they're going to know that that's the great product, the original marine boat flooring. Karen from SC Wake SeaDek, give us a call, request a quote. We're here to help you.